Hi, my name is Daniel and I'm from Chromex Flooring. I'm a certified flooring inspector and I want to start making some videos about flooring uh, because I do have some knowledge and I would like to share with anyone out there that is looking to put a new floor in their house. And I do this because I can see a lot of problems with the floors and a lot of issues, not with only with material but also with installation related. So I want to make sure that your floor looks nice, but that is also warranted by manufacturer. Also, um, the floors are not cheap anymore, and I see and I feel bad for these people that install a new floor and then after a year or two the floor fails and they don't have manufacturer warranty or even from the company that installed the floor. So I'm gonna split this uh, subjects about several videos, and every video is gonna be one subject, and I'm gonna start with first step when you decide to have a floors, and that is how to choose or how to recognize that a company that you want to hire is actually a right company for you. And I put it around 4 points that you should look into when you are hiring some companies. The first is their knowledge from starting from the sales person. I would always look at them as what do they know about flooring and how they share with the homeowner. Do they understand and do they explain the differences between different floors? Let's just say about different floors are in vinyl, SPC versus WPC. Do they what is the good floor for your house? What do they recommend? What is your need? Do they explain how to clean those specific floors and go through the warranties with you? Do they point some things in the house that you should prepare for the new floors? More about those preparing your house for the new floors. I'm gonna talk in a different video. So, but if they start talking about, that's a good sign. The second thing, it will be honesty. Who doesn't like to work with a reliable company? The first thing, it will be estimates. I will look at the estimates and see if everything matches the prices. That there is no any surprises. The only surprise and a extra charge, it should be something that is not visible, and that is what is under the floor. If subfloor he needs to be repaired or does need to be prep, but they should always give you at least how they charging and how much they charging, because for example, a lot of companies charges for the leveling or floor prep, they charging per bag. So they should give you the price per bag and say, if we use this many bags, this is how much you're gonna pay. Uh, that's the only exception, because you really don't know until you don't open and you see how bad subfloor is or how good it is. Maybe it doesn't need any leveling. Uh, Also, one thing it will be, do they have in-house or subcontractors for installers? And check the reviews, Google reviews. I preferred Google reviews because, but don't just look the how many stars they have. I always go and read bad reviews, because a lot of time those bad reviews is just for some stupid reasons, or it's not that big deal, so that you can always be on top of each problem that maybe arise. The number 3, quality. The quality of products they sell. Do they sell some unknown brands of flooring, or do they say good brands that are recognized and that you hear for them? But also the job, the quality of work, and that's where reviews is going to help you. What warranties they offer? Do they offer a warranty? Also, do they offer you a contract? I think the company that does not offer any contract, I wouldn't like to work with them. Do they have a record of photos during inspection, during installation, and measurements of they need to take care of it? And that is just for your security, in case you ever have a problem with the floors, so that you have everything documented in one place. Also, I would like to add that if they even talk about floor prep. There is a lot of companies that they do and they don't talk, and to me it's more like the ones that don't talk about is they basically, what they want to do is demo the old floor that you want to replace it, and then they're gonna bring you in the point that you're gonna need to accept any price that they put on, because your house is gonna be in a mess, and you just wanted to finish the project and go back to the old life. Good reputation. Number 4, and this is more, is the company only online store where you have to do everything over the phone, or B is that they have store in a physical address. To me, I would never like to work with those companies. I'm not gonna name them, but the companies that you do everything online and they always push the contract to sign right away is a not good company. Anybody that tells you, well, this price is only worth right now, is not good company. I think any honest sales person should, or store should, give you the price at least a 7-day, so that you can also have a time to get more estimates and then decide with what company you want to do. So when we are already talking about that, it's also that never accept the first contract. Always get more estimates, and but compare apples to apples. When I moved to this house, wanted to change the floors, and I did get 4 estimates. And even though they were pricing differently, one local store actually included a little bit of the floor prep, so which means a lot, because many of them did not. So the price maybe was cheaper for $2,000, but at the end the price is gonna go up because of the floor prep. So you should always compare really good and summarized what one company offer, what doesn't other company. So this is it. I'm trying to be under 10 minutes. If you like the videos and you want to learn more about the floors, please like this video and subscribe to this channel, because I'm gonna continue making those videos. If I get some questions, I would like to address those questions, so I can always be on top of all those problems that somebody may have in the flooring. So remember, the floors are not cheap, not cheap at all. So I would like to let your floors last forever, so that's why I'm making those videos. Thank you.